Hello everyone, today I'm going to share another simple recipe. It's steamed ginger chicken. Very few ingredients, simple flavors, yet very flavorful. So let's get started.
First, let's prep the chicken. You need to make sure that the chicken is cleaned thoroughly.
So you see these red clots over here? You need to remove them. If not, the dish will stink after cooking. Then season the chicken with some salt.
Here I have quite a bit of ginger. Chop it into smaller pieces. Then place them in a blender. Okay, I had to add a little oil so the ginger can blend smoothly. Blend it into a fine paste like this. Ginger paste into a pot. Some oil. Salt. And a pinch of sugar. Saute over low heat until fragrant. Place the chicken thighs on a heat-proof plate, skin side up. Then spread the chicken paste evenly on top of the chicken. Bring the water in a wok to a boil, then place the chicken on the steam rack. Steam on high heat for about 25 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through.
Done. Oh, smells so good. Garnish with some spring onions.
And there you have it, an easy and delicious steamed chicken dish. So warm, comforting, and so yummy. If you enjoy my videos, don't forget to like, share, or comment. I hope you enjoy this dish. See you in the next one.